Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that comes packed with indicators and candlestick patterns built in. Just grab it using the link in the description below. Now let us get into this review. In this video, I am looking at Anchor Trend EA. It's an MT5 expert advisor built by developer Sigit Haryono. It's priced at 99 US dollars to buy or available to rent from 50 US dollars a month up to 79 US dollars for 6 months at a 74% saving. Okay, and the EA is currently at version 1.0. Now, scrolling into the description, this is a fully automated expert advisor using price deviations combined with other indicators for confirmation, opening trades within the range and the direction of those deviations. All right, now all trades are protected by a fixed and hidden stop loss by default. It can technically run on any currency pair, but the listing specifically recommends GBPUSD on the H1 time frame. Now, going through the main features, the listing directly states no martingale, no averaging, and no grid. Certain parameters include trade direction control, a maximum spread filter, fixed or auto lot sizing, stop loss and take profit, an average basket take profit to close all positions together, and trailing and break-even settings. All right. Now, the recommended setup calls for a zero spread ECN or raw spread account that supports hedging. All right. So let us briefly look at the provided strategy tester report here before we head over to my own strategy tester. So from what we have here, initial deposit was $10,000 and the test was conducted on GBPUSD H1 time frame from the beginning of 2023 to the 20th of June 2026. All right, here we have net profit 9,656.7 to 1,098 total trades taken. Profit trades were 666, which gave us a 60.66% win rate. And then here we have the largest profit at 304.45, largest loss 204.8. Well, the difference is significant to an extent. At least there is a substantial difference between the largest profit and largest loss, but the average profit and average loss are not far from each other. So the risk to reward ratio is very close to 1:1 on average. All right. And then looking at the balance curve here, we can see that it shows a steady growth over time. Okay. A steady growth over time. Let's head over to our strategy tester now. Let me show you how this expert advisor performed. All right. I conducted this test on a $10,000 initial deposit, and we can see that the total net profit generated was just $167.43, right? And let's just quickly break down the results. I conducted this test on GBPUSD on the H1 time frame as recommended, right? Based on the recommendation we saw on the MQL5 Marketplace page. And the test was run from the start of the year, 1st January 2026 through mid-July 2026 with history quality at 100%. Okay. Across 88 total trades, the win rate came in at just over 61%. You can see the win rate just over 61%. The maximum drawdown was very well contained at just over 1.2% on an equity basis. It was actually 1.2% for the equity and just 0.6% for the balance drawdown. All right, the profit factor came in at 1.75 and the recovery factor was 1.39. Both solid figures consistent with the no martingale, no grid design described on the listing. Okay, the average winning and losing trade sizes came out fairly close to each other, with the healthy win rate carrying the overall result. Here we can see that the average profit was $7.21 and the average loss was $6.52. So the difference wasn't so much. Okay. And then talking about the maximum consecutive wins, it was 9, giving us a $67.88 value, and the maximum losses were just 3, but it gave 51.88. All right, so that shows that the maximum consecutive losses at 3 was already close to the maximum consecutive wins at 9. Okay, let's briefly look at the graph. So here we can see the balance and equity curve being displayed here. All right, so we can see that the equity was almost always below the balance. So that means that there was almost always floating loss. When we look at the result displayed here, you can see that it was only balance curve shown. Equity curve was not shown. But here, from the test I conducted, you can see both the balance and equity, and the equity was almost always below the balance. All right, so I think that is actually a call for concern, because most of the time the account was in a floating loss, even though that the loss was small, because from what we can see here, the drawdown was just 1.2%, the maximum drawdown, but still the equity was almost always below the balance. But then over time, the balance grew, but it was a slow growth, covering about 6.5 months of tests, and the result was just 167.43 out of $10,000 balance. All right, so I'm going to recommend testing this over additional periods and possibly other currency pairs yourself, even though GBPUSD is the specifically recommended instrument here. So who might this expert advisor be suitable for? Based on what we have observed so far, this came out as a clean, well-contained result consistent with the straightforward risk approach described on the listing. Okay, and as always, no expert advisor is universally suitable, so you should test it further yourself before considering any live usage. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.